A boy with a handsome boy with a good heart, character, and ambition. And seventh birthday marks almost a step from a little to young, with its own relative responsibilities. Join us as we celebrate this wonder boy coming age. Let us celebrate as our boy becomes a full blue boy, as our boy turns to 7. And now, it's my honor to present to you the Arriaga and Novesteras family. Let's begin with his mom, her mom, Lainey Arriaga Novesteras, na nasa malayong dakol ng bansa, antik ng mundo. But then again, nandito po ang kanyang lola, walang iba kundi si Florentina Arriaga, at ang kanyang lolo na si Tito Bidanya Arriaga. In land not so far away, there is a little boy.
Sige, nag-marcha.
With a beauty and angel born in July 5, 2015. This boy is the only son of Mr. and Mrs. Arriaga and Novesteros. He grew up with so much love and kindness. He is loved by everybody for his beauty inside and out. This boy is an angel. His smile is no limit. His heart is unafraid. His mind is ready to try. He ready for any adventure for the sake of fun and friendship. More refined than shy, more adventurous than playful, more characteristic than charming, more alluring than beautiful. Indeed, he has all grown up and sight he has become. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you the debutant. Let us welcome our casting boy of this afternoon, no other than Prince Axel. Palakpakan ko natin si Prince Axel. And now, pag-prepare na po yung anim dahil tuloy-tuloy po ang ating mangyayari. So, ang mauna po ay 7 kids.